Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing the new tires I got installed on my 2021 Kia K5 GT line. Most K5s come with the Pirelli P0 tires, which are pretty good, but they are known for not lasting too long. This is because the Pirelli P0 is an ultra high performance tire, and therefore are not made to last. They're actually designed to give your car that sporty feel. Unfortunately, the original P0 tires on my K5 were good for only less than 24,000 miles. I was really expecting at least 36,000. Although I like the performance of those tires, this time I was looking for a replacement that will last longer. If you're looking to replace your K5 tires, keep watching this video. So after dedicating hours of research, I decided to give a try to the Yokohama AVID Ascend tires, which are considered sport touring type. I was looking for a good balance of price, quality, sporty feel, decent look, and a longer lasting tread. They also have a tread wear rating of 740 versus the previous ones which were only 500. I highly recommend that you visit the Yokohama website and see for yourself if this specific tire is for you. I have driven on these tires for about 3,000 miles, and so far I am happy with their performance in general. They have also proven to be slightly better on gas mileage. In summary, I do recommend the Yokohama AVID Ascend GT tire for your midsize sedan. I really hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like, subscribe, and click on that bell to get notified of future uploads from my channel. I'm including the link to the official Yokohama tire website in the description. Thanks for watching.